Welcome to the interactive realistic 3D demo video of Real Estate Sales and Marketing CRM Dashboard Tool, a kiosk for client presentation and unit booking management. This dashboard displays a 3D viewer of isolated units, which can be used to navigate into the project in real time. It holds a list of the units, which consists of all the basic details anticipated by clients, be it on a pad while making an inquiry, to view at a kiosk in a project launch event, or even at a site visit. Furthermore, it provides unit filtering options to choose by floor levels, or filter by size of the units, whether 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK or 3 BHK types. The dashboard displays overall units in the apartment, and further, it shows total number of units based on the filters selected. Clients usually prefer particular main entries that faces to a particular direction. The desired facing unit can also be filtered through the options. Some clients prefer to choose units based on the layout plans. They wish to know the spaces, furniture layout and how exactly their dream unit would look like. The plan view in the dashboard offers to filter them too. The unit price chart displays all the unit costs, and the costs based on the unit types in the selected units and filters. Let us dive in and view the realistic 3D view, rather than picking from isolated units, to have a better understanding and ease of choosing a unit. We can choose to either view the entire project as modeled or further isolate units within the project by graying out or applying visibility measures. In this realistic 3D view, the clients can easily view their desired units, navigate it like as-built model, and select their units smoothly and effortlessly. This also makes the jobs of the CRM team straightforward in terms of presenting clients. They can clearly showcase, in real time, the features, amenities, views from the units, etc., more or less like a sales walkthrough, prior to making a booking confirmation. One can create and save different views within the 3D viewer in the dashboard, or use already available saved views within the model export file. Let us go ahead and apply some filters to view in reality. First, let us try the floor filters. All units, irrespective of type, orientation, will be filtered in the 3D viewer, and its corresponding costs displayed in the chart. Or, filter by types and size of the units. Let us select the 2.5 BHK type to view dynamic details in cost chart, plan and orientation views, with all other basic details also being displayed in the table view. The preferred unit faces, as many clients would insist, can also be chosen, verifying with corresponding layout plan view and cost comparisons. Let us now try with the plan view. Go ahead and expand the dashboard to view the plans, make a selection, and check for the details in the 3D viewer and in other views. The same concept can be followed to create another template to overview building information modeling, BIM, 3D, 4D, 5D models, or to even use as a coordination tool in BIM with other consultants. The unit selection, once done and on confirmation from the client, can be automated to be sent through mail, with the help of Power Automate for Power BI within the Power BI interface. To the closure team, the manager, the finance and other concerned individuals, with complete details extracted from the dashboard and attached in the mail. Thank you for watching the Real Estate Interactive 3D CRM Dashboard Tool demo.